Okay, we're doing deadlifts on the PitchShark rolling pole. We're using our 2-inch fat bar. I've got us loaded on the heavy yellow bands, and we're doing sets of triples. All right, Brandon. You basically just set up just like a normal deadlift. Do a nice triple. Accelerate. Good job. These yellow bands and this 2-inch fat bar is creating a extreme challenge to hold on to.